This video is a boxing EMOM workout every minute on the minute. You have 3 5-minute rounds with 5 exercises in each round. You have to complete in 1 minute or less. Whatever time is left in that 1 minute clock, you have that to rest. So depending on how hard you work will determine how much rest you have. Round number 1 is coming up right now. Get ready to work. Let's go. All right, on your toes, let's get ready. It's time to put in work. Let's review your boxing combinations. Remember, 5 exercises, 4 repetitions in round number 1. 1-6-1-1-2 is first. A 1-6-1-1-2. That's a jab, rear uppercut, 1-1-2. Then go into 4 squats. You're gonna work fast. And then a 2-5-2, 2-3-2. A 2-5-2, 2-3-2. All right. With a step and pivot will be next. So exercise number 4 is a step and pivot, and then a step left, 1-2, and a step right, 1-2, 1-2. Step left, 1-2, step right, 1-2, 1-2. And then after you're done those exercises and those repetitions, whenever we're done, we have that to rest in this EMOM, and then we get ready to go. Let's get into it, guys. One, 6, 1, 1, 2. Ready? Let's go. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. Jab, upper, jab, jab, cross. Squats are next. Let's go. 2-5-2, 2-3-2. 2-5-2, 2-3-2. Step and pivot. We gotta work fast. Step. 1-2. Step. 1-2, 1-2. Step. Jab, cross. Step. Jab, cross, jab, cross. Rest for 20 seconds and we'll get back into your next round. In your next round, we'll add in 2 repetitions to the same combos. But for now, let's get ready for the 1-6-1-1-2. Jab, uppercut, jab, jab, cross. Jab, upper, jab, jab, cross. Jab, upper, jab, jab, cross. Come on. Squats, 4. 2-5-2, 2-3-2. Step and pivot. Step and pivot. 4 reps. Yes. Step to the side. 1-2. Step to the side. 1-2, 1-2. Step to the side. Jab, cross. Step to the side. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Yes. Rest. 20 seconds. As you go through this workout, often you will finish these combinations faster than me, and you'll have a better idea of what to throw. 1-6-1-1-2. Jab, upper, jab, jab, cross. Jab, upper, jab, jab, cross. Come on. Squats right here. Go. 2-5-2, 2-3-2. 2-5-2, 2-3-2. Step and pivot. Step left, 1-2, step right, 1-2, 1-2, step left, jab, cross, step right, jab, cross, jab, cross. We're putting in work. You're doing lots of boxing combinations. You're working hard so that you can create your own rest. Next set to jab, uppercut, jab, jab, cross. Jab, upper, jab, jab, cross. Yeah, nice fast hands. Squats. 2-5, 2-3-2. Cross upper, cross hook, cross upper, cross hook, cross. Step and pivot. Again, you don't need a lot of space to get this workout done, just effort. Step left, 1-2, step right, jab, cross, step left, jab, cross, step right, jab, cross, cross. Shake it off. You got this, get ready for it. Jab, upper, jab, cross. Yeah, squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-5, 2-3-2. Cross upper, cross hook, cross. Get ready to step and pivot right here. Step, turn, step, turn, step, turn, step, turn. Lateral 1-2, 1-2. Step, jab, cross, step, jab, cross. And rest. Round number 2 is coming up next. 5 exercises again, except 6 repetitions, so we have to continuously move. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2 times 6. Let's go, guys. You add in 2 reps, but you still have to finish within 1 minute. Squats times 6. Yes. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. Good job. Step and pivot for 6. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Step 1, 2. Step 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 2, 4, and 6. Great job. Rest. 5 seconds to go. Now you know the combinations. Let's get into it again. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. Go. You got to work a little faster to get all these reps in. Squats. 6 reps. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2 or 2, 5, 2, 2, 3, 2. You can add in an extra cross if you want. 6 reps. Step and pivot. Go. It's quick. So fun, guys. I love these workouts. Step 1, 2. Step 1, 2, 1, 2. Step 1, 2. Step 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, 5 seconds to spare. Great job. Keep pushing. Working round number 2. Same exercises, 6 reps. If you want to get a glass or a drink of water right now with a slight break in the action, you can do that. If you want to keep putting in combos, you can, but of course, take a smash of water. Let's get ready. Go. 6 reps. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2, 1, 6, 1, 1, 2, 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. Yeah. 6 squats. If you want to make them harder, do jump squats. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. Or 2, 5, 2, 2, 3, 2. You can choose. We do that for 6. Step and pivot. Let's go. 1 shoe length to step and then turn it around. Let's go lateral. Jab, cross, jab, cross, step, jab, cross, step, jab, cross for 6 total. Yep. 10 seconds, rest. Come on. We got this, guys. Ready? Go. 1, 6. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, upper. Jab, jab, cross. Fast. You know what to do. You know how to win. Squats. 6. Slight hop if you want it. Why not, right? 2, 5. 2, 3, 2. 2, 5. 2, 3, 2. Yeah, step and pivot. We're putting in work quick. Earn that rest. Step 1, 2, step 1, 2, 1, 2, step. Jab, cross, step, jab, cross, jab, cross. Yup. Get those 6. Rest. We're gonna go again real fast. Jab, uppercut, jab, jab, cross. Go. Yes, champions. You see the rhythm you have now, that flow with your combos? You know what's up, you know what's going on, you're fighting through. Squats. Or jump squats. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. Step and pivot. Yup. Step, turn, reset. Step, turn, reset. 1. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, 1, 2. It goes quick, right? Let's do it again. Go. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. Keep those hands up. Keep your eyes focused forward, chin down. Squats right here. 6. Two, 5, 2, 3, 2. Go. Keep those hands up, champions. Come on, you got to work hard to get this. Step and pivot. Right here. Go. Step. Lateral step and punch. You got this. There you go. Yes, exercise is done. Round number 3, guys. Your final round. 8 reps. Ready? Go. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. 8 times. It's a race to the finish. Squats, 8. Two, 5, 2, 2, 3, 2, or 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. Eight reps. Come on, 8 combos. Step and pivot. Make it quick. Small circles, make them small and fast. Lateral step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Step. 1, 2. Jab, cross, jab, cross. That's 4. Or 6. And 8. We got to work right away. You can see there's just about a second left between sets now. You're working the 1, 6, jab, jab, cross. Yeah, squats, 8. Or jumps. Let's go. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. 8. Work, work, work. Step and pivot. Come on, step and pivot. 1, 2, lateral, step, 1, 2, step, 1, 2, 1, 2. You know it. 8 reps. Last one, guys. 1, 6, 1, 1, 2. Last one. Come on. Squats. 8. Finish strong. You got this. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2. Go. 7 and 8 right here. Good. Let's go. Step and turn real quick. Finish strong, warriors. We got this. Step 1, 2. Step 1, 2, 1, 2. And time. That is what I'm talking about. Great work, guys. Join this channel as a member after you subscribe, and I'll see you warriors for the next workout. If you want more, do it again.